Okay, so ito yung 3-bedroom unit dito sa Octamart. So obviously, way bigger. This unit is 125.5 square meters. And then ganun din, you have key card access to the unit. The powder room is here. And then obviously, the kitchen should be bigger. So dito naman, sa 3-bedroom units, actually, the 2 and 3-bedroom units, they come with a 4-burner cooktop, range hood, and built-in oven. So 2 and 3-bedroom units may built-in oven. Cabinetry already included, refrigerator, stainless steel faucet and sink. And then, yeah, this is the maid's room. So like all other units, yung maid's room natin, may sarili ding toilet and bath. And this also doubles as the utility area ng unit. So let's take a look at the rest of the unit. Living and dining area. Check split light AC. And then you have an exit to the balcony. Same view as the previous unit we showed. Yan, you have a view here. Then punta tayo sa bedroom. On the way to the bedrooms, naka-compartmentalize din yung unit natin. So may little hallway tayo leading to the bedrooms. This is the common toilet and bath. Right here is the first bedroom on the left, yan. So city view tayo from the first bedroom. And then here's the second bedroom. Then check out the view ng master's bedroom. So first of all, guys, bathtub, check. All the other sanitary fixtures already included. You have access to the balcony from here. Punta natin. Hangin.
Nice.
Makati skyline view, BGC view from the 3-bedroom masters. So from this bedroom, you have views of the north, the west, and the south. So north, west, and south ang view ng 3-bedroom unit.
Grabe.
May walk-in closet pa. Yan, walk-in closet kasama pa. Swerte nang nakabili ng 3-bedroom.
Nice.
Wait lang.